This nigga finna bust this nigga window, bro.
Zone 6 with Jug King, I show you why I'm living.
Bitch, that cheerleaders. That's how niggas do it. I mean, that's how them bitches are. Yeah.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
At least spray it off a little bit. I came here to go to a touchless car wash, but it's closed, so I had to just spray it down. It's hard to find touchless car washes, so we're gonna get up out of here.
Come through like tornado and actually let me do it now. Wasn't in a school study, hung around with shooter. This girl was a booster, blew up and moved her. Bitch got a handgun, busy no Ruger.
Lie, but I'm actually down. Loud, but I'm actually crying. Hurt, but I'm trying to stay silent.
I was down when he fumbled that.
I told y'all niggas where you can find me at. It's lit up here too, nigga. It's so lit, a nigga need a jump. I mean, my bad. That's a lady. Yeah.
I ain't keep it with me, I be slinging on the up. Burning flash, steady banging, yeah, I'm hanging on the block. Playing both sides, and that shit that get you pop. Down bad long, niggas screaming for the law. When I feel that head, nigga, I ain't got a car. Head while I'm driving, nigga, I just crashed the car. Friend that feel like smoking, think that it's an angel dust. Go crazy. Go crazy, three crazy. You crazy, we crazy. You play and get sprayed. I'm crazy, two crazy. I go crazy, three crazy. Fish get up, fillet now.
Watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
Go crazy, three crazy. You crazy, we crazy. You play and get sprayed. I'm crazy, two crazy. I go crazy, three crazy.
Bro, I need to make this little 5-piece for the 10.
But shit, nigga, we on the same tight time, nigga. You talking about 5 rack heads, cause shit, nigga, I'm with you, nigga.
Yeah, nigga, I ain't gonna lie, I need that shit ASAP.
I need ASAP too. Whatever we try and do, let me know, nigga.
Say that, bro. Say
Shit,
that.
nigga. Goddamn, you too close to home, so we definitely gotta tap in. This nigga, he don't like
Nah,
coming to
for real.
Kennesaw and shit.
I didn't know you was that close. I thought you was in Marietta off Kimberly for some reason.
Nigga, Kimberly, I don't know them niggas, that's his people. Nigga, I'm from
Ackworth,
nigga.
I thought you lived over there.
Nigga, I'm from Ackworth, nigga, exit 277, but you know I play in Kennesaw, though.
Nah, for real.
All the way up.
Who bike is it?
What's fake? The white
That's my shit.
Huh?
That's my shit.
My shit, it ain't your shit, nigga.
Shit, fake as shit, bro.
That shit fake, yeah,
Me
nigga.
and AK drunk the whole fifth together, nigga. I was not drunk.
I'm saying, what make y'all say this shit fake though?
Nigga, they
It's
literally
watered
has
down.
it on the label, bro. If it's a black line behind the serial
Let's
number,
step over
nigga, that
here
shit's
and talk.
fake, nigga.
They tweaking this shit
That shit
already.
fake, bro.
What you in, nigga?
I'm in the Escalade over there.
Oh, the motherfucker that I picked up?
Yeah.
That motherfucker there, boy. That bitch be moving.
That bitch.
Yo,
That bitch got a Corvette. The same engine that was in your vet is in that shit.
$20. $20. Like, chicken, if you don't get your ass on my face.
But nah,
Nothing.
nigga, everybody paid.
Oh,
And it was a smooth ass
I'm
party.
just saying, you talking about they got you fucked up, nigga. You had everybody in their mama fucked up. Literally, their mama's fucked up. Literally,
Mama paid and my siblings paid.
Oh, God.
You know how much I spent on this damn party? I spent probably like
Like
15, 1800 on food.
Oh, Lord. Nigga, what?
Like 500-600 on bottles.
I'm gonna go home.
Then what? 350 on the DJ.
You being around this nigga, you about to spend $200.
350 on the DJ.
I ordered that check up a moment, I'm ready. You chasing that pussy, that paper. I started out down with that maple. And now I got too many flavors. And she fell in love with a neighbor. If I hit it once and I hit it again. Listen, I'm down at 10. Blown in the wind. Stopping and telling her beat that shit up and I'm back on the road again. She coming along with friends. She know I got a whole lot of friends. They printed, I get it, I got every penny. You know I got plenty of Benjis. I got that new couple money and we on the back of it. Looking over the city, she know she gotta come get it, get just like a bitch. We never showing her pity.
Gunna ain't never really said nothing about him.
Doug about to take at least a 10-piece. That's it. Doug gonna take a 10-piece. You feel me? He gonna come home about 8. He gonna take that 10 though. I done pass it down.
You gonna take a 10?
He gonna take a 10 cheese. That's light though. You feel me? That's really light in the rap world. Like he be home in attention.
What the
fuck? She looks so lonely.
What the fuck is going on? Nah. You know what I'm saying? If you don't understand it, you know. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, bro. What this color called?
That's that Satin Ocean blue right here.
Satin Ocean Blue, nigga. That's a trio. Combo. Big Porsche. You know what I'm saying? Big Porscheana.
Fuck around, cut down. So with chicken on me, coulda went by the Williams. The rookies a big ass Popeye. Ain't all different brands. With some elegance. All these niggas I'm with is some fellas, a strap with a post, so I hope that you understand. If they spin, make them wish that they never spin. Most of these niggas is hoes, they be telling me. Man, I'm finna take off, I'm stamping. How you bang niggas that selling that rubber shit? If your dog in that raining ain't help with it, how is you we ain't got the rock. Niggas know that I still.
Nigga, my fucking ear hurt, bro.
Shit is busted, nigga.
I tried to tell this nigga, bro, my shit. I need.
Let's go. Wow. Fucking with sound like a shit.
This nigga finna bust this nigga window, bro. Nigga, what you hiding for, nigga? Why you hiding in that bitch?
I'm in a Porsche, nigga. Can't hide in this shit.
Yeah.
This ain't a favor, my genie, you know this shit called. BB&T when I fly. I take the pack across the world, but I still get it off. Keep the gas ready and off. I took some ill, but I came back on top as a boss. Whoa, whoa. Young nigga get paid, I feel like I'm done. Hear this shit, man. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bitch, my face get all I see is down signs and niggas on the side. Bitch, that cheerleaders. That's how them niggas is. I mean, that's how them bitches is. Yeah.
Yeah.
I just been pouring codeine on my logo, shawty going all the way down for the promo. I just put it all the way on, this ain't promo. My lifestyle going all the way up, I don't see no lows. I just update the swag and all these niggas download it. I just upgrade the stick, I had a scope and help me focus. Upgrade my wrist, call it else because it's broke. I need help, I keep on flossing. Help is on the way for all these niggas cause they lost it. Everybody already know who the boss is. Smell like MFK, the 41. When the walk in, she smell like new Chanel. Yeah, she hell, yeah, she boss it. I don't feel like talking. I been sitting on tight all day, shit exhausted. I been counting up all day, this shit exhausted. I been shopping all day, this shit exhausted. All this shit I'm popping, I'm the book killer, baby. All the bodies dropped in. Every time I walk through, I feel like supermodel.
I'm getting to them M's, you should do the same. You was real, but you told, now your life changed. These niggas broke, do anything to get in the rap game. Bake them boys a cake and get that handle, best believe that. 100 million arm reach, nigga, I can feel it. I used to take a 9 out them squares and you could see it. The streets were starting, had to drop some shit so they could eat it. We pushing P, we pushing pound. Count on M's cause I got millions. Come to zone 6 with Jewel King, I show you how I live. Allergic to you broke hoes, dirty bitch, stay out my business. You fell out with your plug, come fuck with me, I put you.
I had to let the fire truck go like a real nigga. Shit. I be forgetting about this road. That was the wrong road to hit it.
Do anything to get in the rap game. Bake them boys a cake and get that handle, best believe that. 100 million arm reach, nigga, I can feel it. I used to take a 9 out them squares and you could see it. The streets were starving, had to drop some shit so they could eat it. We pushing P, we pushing pound. Count on M's cause I got millions. Come to zone 6 with Jewel King, I show you how I live. Allergic to you broke hoes, dirty bitch, stay out my business. You fell out with your plug, come fuck with me, I put you in position. Jigga made it happen for me. I got trap money, got rap money. Finesse and made it happen for me. In the hood, $1 million cash on me. Yeah. Street so dry, these niggas ain't rap about money. Scooter need to drop now. Free to go, they.
Yep.
But I can still see your smile, it won't go away. I don't want you, but it's best we go always. I'm a superstar, you cannot take that from me. I'm a superstar, still looking for something. I'm a superstar.